Sometimes our expectations don't really meet the reality. Especially while playing with kids. But there is no reason for panic.
Hi everyone, my name is Christina and today I will share with you some general useful tips on how to take care of Wooden Hearts furniture.
Our furniture is made from high-class polished birch plywood. This material is very strong and flexible. We provide a 2-year manufacturer warranty for each of our products. If the product has any fractures or damages that have appeared during usage and it is connected to the quality of manufacturing or materials, we will replace it. For painting, we use only high-quality ecologic water-based paints, environmentally friendly varnish. All parts of the products are hand-sanded with great care. We make sure that everything is brought to perfect condition.
It doesn't cause any allergic reactions and doesn't emit harmful substances, and it's absolutely safe for children.
They can even lick this product and try it on tooth.
And now it's time to answer one of the most common questions. How should I care about Wooden Hearts furniture?
By the way, cleaning together with your kid can be another fun activity according to Montessori method. There are 3 simple rules. Dust should be removed from the furniture surface with a dry soft cloth, microfiber, flannel or special panicles. Periodically wipe the surface with a special antistatic agents. Remove dirt with soap and water, followed by dry wiping. Alternatively, wet wipes can be used.
Easy, right?
But don't forget that there are also some don'ts. Do not use scrubbers or hard brush sponges. They leave small scratches. In no case should you use aggressive cleaning agents containing chlorine, chemicals or solvents. No cleaning with abrasive detergents like soda.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos and tips. And I'll see you soon.